The Sony Bravia 9 series, part of Sony's premium lineup, is known for its cutting-edge technology and stunning picture quality. Prices for these high-end TVs vary significantly based on screen size and features. For example, a 55-inch Sony Bravia, a 95K OLED TV typically starts at around 2,50,000 to 3 lakh rupees in India, while larger sizes like the 65-inch model can cost between 3,50,000 to 4,50,000 rupees. The 77-inch version may go up to 6 lakh rupees or more. These TVs feature advanced technologies like 4K OLED panels, XR cognitive processor, Dolby Vision HDR, and acoustic surface audio, making them ideal for home theater enthusiasts. Prices may vary slightly depending on retailers, discounts, or festive sales, so it's worth checking platforms like Sony's official website, Amazon, or Flipkart for the latest deals. If this video helped you, please like and subscribe to this channel. Thanks for watching.